So hi guys, just a small video, a small update here on this new 390. Well, this is not mine. This is my technician's bike, which he just picked up a couple of months back. So why I'm showing you this bike is because if you see here, you have the stock exhaust, and I'm not sure if you can hear it, but it's not the stock exhaust note. So let's hear it a little bit. So yeah guys, this is the stock exhaust, but what is being done to the exhaust, I can really not tell, because this is something which my technician is actually working on. And what I can actually tell is the bike sounds bloody good. It sounds very mean. It's not like one of those you know, the cans what you get from Shivajinagar or from the local shops, and you just plonk it and it you know, makes you really deaf. But this is really subtle. Basically it sounds like, if you guys have heard the Mojo without the TP killer, it sounds exactly like that. So even on the road, I've been riding this for the last 15-20 minutes. I mean, it's not annoyed me, or it's really nice. So yeah, he's working on this design. So basically there is a pipe inside, he's put in a TP, blah blah. More details on this later. So if you guys are interested, for the guys who are owning this 2017 Duke 390 or the RC 390, you guys can contact my technician, which is there in the description below. I will leave his contact details, guys. You can have a word with him, and he does exchange your exhaust for the new exhaust. So he will not work on your exhaust, but he will give you the slip-on directly. So let's hear it for one more time. Sounds really smooth and subtle, guys. I'm loving it. I just really wish I had this on my bike. This is something what I always wanted, a slightly louder exhaust, but this sounds amazing. Very nice. Let's go take it for a spin. So see, in neutral, I mean, sorry, not in neutral. What am I talking? In idle, you can't even hear it. Squeezing in a little bit. Well. Really nice. Sounds so sweet. So this bike has done about 810 kilometers, and yeah, it should be in its run-in, so I'm not gonna ride it or, you know, redline it basically. But yeah man, the sound is amazing. So like I said earlier, you guys are interested with this setup, he's not gonna work on your exhaust. He will give you the slip-on, like I said earlier, because this is not a single piece exhaust. And regarding the price and how the design works and all that, you can contact my technician. All the details will be in the link below, sorry, in the description below. For now, let's take it for a nice spin.